President Aquino and other leaders of ASEAN are now gathered in Brunei Darussalam for their two-day summit. The President arrived in the capital Bandar Seri Begawan early tonight for the 22nd ASEAN Summit, and they will focus on key economic and political issues affecting the region. In his departure statement, the President said he for the implementation of the Declaration of the Conduct of Parties in the South China Sea and for the completion of the Code of Conduct. Rocky Ignacio filed this report.
President Aquino will push for the full implementation of the Declaration on the Code of Conduct of Parties in the West Philippine Sea. The President left this afternoon to join other leaders in the 22nd ASEAN Leaders Summit to be held in Brunei. In his departure statement, the President reiterated that the Philippines will support the early conclusion of a substantive and legally binding Code of Conduct. Like the Philippines, Brunei has its claim in the disputed area.
Gaya ng palagi natin idinidiin, ang kaunlaran ng isa ay kaunlaran ng lahat. Habang ang munting gulo sa anumang sulok ng mundo ay makaka-apekto rin sa ekonomiya at kalakalan ng nakakarami. Wala tayong ibang hangad kundi ang mataguyod ng kaayusan at kapayapaan. Kaya naman, itutulak natin sa buhay ng lahat ang mga prinsipyong nakapaloob sa Declaration on the Conduct of Parties in the South China Sea or DOC. Din natin ang ibang pinuno sa pagpapanday ng isang Code of Conduct sa lalong madaling panahon na kikilalanin at susundin ng bawat membro. Sa liderato ng kasalukuyang ASEAN Chairman si Sultan Haji Hassan Al-Bolkiah ng Brunei, buo ang kumpiyansa nating mas makakausad ng patas ang paksang ito.
With this year's theme, Our People, Our Future Together, it will give emphasis on the importance of ASEAN citizens to attain its vision of an ASEAN community by 2015. The President will stay overnight in Brunei, but he claimed every minute will be utilized properly by pushing the interests of the Filipinos. President Aquino also intends to strengthen the country's cooperation with other ASEAN member economies.
Sisiguruhin natin bawat minuto natin sa ASEAN Summit ay nakatuon lamang para maisulong ang interes ng bansa at ang makabuo ng matibay na ugnayan sa ating mga kapitbahay sa Timog Silangang Asya. Ang tiwala ng taong bayan sa tuwid na daan ang nagsisilbing lakas ng pamahalaan. Ipang pagbutihin ang pagtitindig ng mga reforma takwang na ay pagmamalaki ng mga Pilipino. Sa biyaheng ito, wala pa rin pong nagbabago, nakatutok pa rin tayo sa kapakanan ng lahat at sa kinabukasang ipapamana natin sa susunod na sanlibutan.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.